This is a 182 DB that I got from Chicago State University last Tuesday. This is Friday night. It was a long drive there and back, 330 miles one way. Did it all in a day. This is the before picture, before I take anything apart, so you can see what it's like. And it also answers the question, Doug, why do you nickel plate and chrome plate so many things? It wasn't like that original. Well, I do that because of that and this, and the rust on it, film on everything. There's no reason why that can't be plated. It's got a nice tag. It's always nice to see. Both these tags are nice. And the motor tag's really nice and removable with screws. A lot of times they're riveted on and it's tough to get those rivets out. Comes with the number 3 miter gauge. Those are usually get lost. This one's damaged a little bit, but nothing I can't fix. Even has the electrical panels with it. The last 3 or 4 machines I got, you get them this way, with this missing. And the reason it's missing, because they got to take it off to unwire it. And when they do that, they don't have the decency to just hang the box back on and close it. So you search for that kind of stuff on eBay for period correct shut-off boxes. This is pretty complete. I'm pretty happy to see that. Don't see anything yet that's really going to be all that much of a challenge, other than taking off this green Kool-Aid that they painted these machines with. Comes off real easy usually. I'll know better when I start blasting one part to see how long it's going to take to strip all this paint off everything. Of course, I'm going to blow it completely apart to do that. Should see it restored in a couple weeks is what I'm figuring. This is an Auer 182 DB. I bought it in Chicago 3 to 4 weeks ago. It's got a 15-inch disc and a 6-inch belt on it. Table swings out of the way so you can change the paper. Table also tilts. Show you, I guess. Crank this handle. This locks it at 90 degrees. There's 90. This table also tilts. A little more clumsy to do. There's not a lot of room in here right now. I'm tearing a Landis OD grinder apart. I'll start it up for you. This is I believe it's a number 3 miter gauge. Fits in the slot here. Or the slot up here. It came with it, which is almost always lost. They had this handy hook to put it on. Everybody still misplaced them. It's a 2 horsepower. It took about 10 days to restore this one. Nickel plate, and Karen, my brother-in-law's, painted it, of course, in pieces. I blew it all apart. This will probably be the last one I do until fall. With the possible exception of finishing up this OD grinder. All set?